Hello everyone, today I'm going to be talking about my LOHF web analysis. So here's the summary. I figured out that LOHF is very active on both their website and on their Facebook page. To improve their interactions on social media, they would really benefit from utilizing interactive content that engages the audience and requires them to respond. This can include a Facebook poll or questions regarding an event or fundraisers. Examples are provided in the recommended strategies. Services. First, I wanted to analyze what kind of services that LOHF provides. They offer grants, training, medical health, copay assistance, NAVWELL, and nursing scholarships. Then I wanted to assess how does this align with their mission. It facilitates access to mental health resources, educates the community on mental health, and coordinates programs that promote the well-being of youth and the children in the Lancaster County. I figured that understanding their services and how it aligns with their mission would greatly help me in understanding how I could recommend strategies on Facebook. Research. Research question. How does LOHF engage and encourage the audience to promote and participate in its cause through Facebook? Why did I choose this question? I chose it because I wanted to explore the ways that they promoted the audience to participate in its cause. I wanted to develop recommendations that would increase their participation. Because this organization has such an awesome mission, I wanted to recommend strategies that would allow more people to know what LOHF is and participate in their worthy cause. What data did I collect? I collected the number of likes, shares, and comments each day on LOHF's Facebook page. This allowed me to see what traffic they already had, including likes, comments, and shares. So what does this mean for their goals or mission? It means that it's producing quality posts, but they're not getting a large amount of participation on social media, which is specifically towards Facebook since I investigated that. And their mission and goals are to promote the well-being of the children and youth in Lancaster County. And to do this, I definitely thought it would be beneficial to increase audience participation through utilizing Facebook to produce more interactive posts. This way, more people would know about what events and activities that they actually have going on. Analysis. It had few likes on Facebook. Because of this, I recommended creating posts that would enhance more audience participation. They already produce high quality posts, but I wanted to recommend strategies to increase their involvement in the content that also promote their goals. And like I said before, the data consists of numbers of likes, shares, and comments that they had on their post each day. It also proved how the audience is interacting with their content and what they're producing. Recommendations. Show behind-the-scenes footage, share testimonials, take a survey, show off results, ask for cause-related comments, and post pictures of the events that they hold. So if you implement these strategies, how would you measure it? Well, I figured out that if you would ask on Friday, you'd gather all the data on Facebook, which include the likes, comments, and shares. Compare the data to previous posts to see whether the participation increased, decreased, or stayed constant. This will also allow them to have a record, and they can also assign some of their employees or volunteers to help with this as well. Here's a sample testimonial that I included about a scholarship recipient. I think that the testimonial will really attest to LOHF's mission of cultivating, creating how they impact the community. So this is a sample testimonial I included. LOHF provided me with a scholarship to pursue my passion for nursing. Because of their generous donation, I was able to eliminate my financial burden. I'm forever grateful for LOHF and the services they provide to myself as well as Lancaster County. So this will allow them to see the impact that they made on the community. This concludes my presentation. I learned a lot about LOHF and web design, and it will greatly help me in my future.